Welcome back to my channel. How to make a paper boat. We need a square sheet and fold it and then follow the steps. Now we have to fold it like this. Then for the other side. Now we get a pocket. Now fold the pocket. And now pull the top outside. Now it's a paper boat. Isn't it easy? Yeah. Now we can even add some stickers or we can draw on it. If I can make it, even you guys can make it. We can put it in water and let it sail. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share and like and click the notification bell.